This is a brand new 2015 Kia Optima. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include XM satellite radio, hill start assist, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, front side impact airbags, child seat safety anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, an energy-absorbing steering column, a split folding rear seat, and an auxiliary power outlet. With an EPA estimated rating of 34 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.